Safety is the #1 priority in the car industry. Damaged batteries in electrical vehicles may result in malfunction or even cause harmful injuries to the passengers. To prevent car batteries from rupturing during a side collision, energy-absorbing constructions are added to the design, resulting in the extra weight of the car. SABIC offers lightweight, cost-effective solutions with excellent performance.
Welcome to our technology and application facilities in Bergen-op-Zoom, the Netherlands, where we test the performance of new products and new applications that we develop for our customers.
SABIC's global T&I team developed a material which has a robust energy absorption during low temperature impact. This new NORYL GTX resin has excellent ductile behavior of up to -40 degrees Celsius and can be used as battery protection for electrical vehicles. With heat resistance of up to 220 degrees Celsius, these parts can be assembled in the early stages of the industrial process.
The battery is typically mounted under the floor in electric vehicles, and a critical need from the industry is to protect the battery from impact. The current solution used is made out of metal, it's complex and heavy. Our solution is offering the possibility to reduce cost and weight by up to 30%.
The honeycomb part is used as a demonstrator for battery protection applications in electrical vehicles. We want to highlight the pendulum pole impact on our application. The test setup is translated from the Euro NCAP side pole impact legislation. The three main components are the pendulum, the trolley, and the data acquisition system. The pendulum impacts the part with a maximum speed of 15 kilometers per hour. And the trolley is a basic chassis with automated braking system. Typically, experiments are performed between +80 and -40 degrees Celsius. In preparation for the impact test, the samples are conditioned for at least 3 hours at the preferred temperature. The pendulum is pulled back using a hoist, after which a final system check is performed. To avoid temperature fluctuations, the sample needs to be positioned as quick as possible and tested within 10 seconds. For safety reasons, the pendulum impact is started by 2 operators pushing the release button. By measuring the force, displacement, and energy curves, we can determine the energy-absorbing capability of our new NORYL GTX resin. Combined with high-speed videos, this data can be compared to simulations. Because of the ductile nature of NORYL GTX resin, the predictability and repeatability is excellent, and simulations can be used to optimize the design. Besides a weight-saving potential of up to 30%, we can tune the honeycomb design over the length of the vehicle, incorporating a stiffer design where it is required. Our design team can help in fine-tuning the optimal design for your car.
So this development, this solution, is really a nice example showing how our product development know-how and our application development expertise come together in order to solve hard challenges industries are facing.